Welcome back. It takes a special person to live in New York City because we compromise space in order to live in the middle of all the action. But how do we handle living in a small space? Unbelievable strategy. That's what it takes to live in an apartment. And we need to be organized.
Yeah, well, who better to help us with that than Apartment Therapy? It's a platform that's home to all things apartments, rentals, and more. And it just announced the winners of its 2024 Organization Awards, a list of editor-tested and approved tools for every room of your home. We have Kylie McConville, Editor-in-Chief of Apartment Therapy, to share the winners that can help you find those hidden spaces and storage around your house. So welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
It is great to see. Did you know that there was such a thing?
No, but here's the thing. Like, you see all these different things, especially on social media. Oh, try this, try this, try this. How do you decide which were the ones that would get your award?
So Apartment Therapy editors test products all year round to bring the best of the best. They're products that are geared towards solving all of the solutions that you are facing in your home. So if you're short on underbed space, we've got a solution for you. If you don't know what to do with your jewelry, we've got a solution to you, to give you. And these are some of our favorites.
Now take us to the Apartment Therapy offices. Just entertain us for a second.
Sure.
Okay, because I know there's a certain fashion magazine that has a closet that's supposed to blow everyone's mind.
Yes.
Is there like a closet at Apartment Therapy with just stuff?
Yeah, we've got closets, we've got underbed storage, we have it all. We are constantly looking for ways to actually road test the products that we're recommending. We put a lot of that, like of our testing behind the products that we recommend, and we're really proud to share those products with the people that are buying them.
Okay.
Well, let's get started.
Yeah.
Some of these award winners.
Yeah. So our first winner in the underbed category is the Open Spaces Underbed Storage. This is like as sleek as it gets when it comes to underbed storage. It's canvas. It has a very breathable material, so you're not going to get all of that like musty smell when you're sort of taking out clothes for winter and stashing away your summer clothes. Plus that foldable lip that you're playing with right there makes it really easy to see what's inside without having to lug really heavy plastic items out from under your bed and put them back.
And you don't lose the lid.
Exactly. And it's sold as a 2-pack, so you're getting a lot for your money when you shop and buy it.
This pull handle makes it easy to
take it out from under the bed.
Yeah. And that's real leather. It's really nice.
And it's very spacious.
Yeah.
Very nice.
You can fit a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
That could also work in a dorm room as I think ahead.
Yes, absolutely. You could stash it under a futon, under a sofa. You've got a lot of options to play with.
Okay.
Perfect. The next one is one we both need because I just take my jewelry and just shove it in a drawer.
Exactly.
And then I can't find stuff.
Definitely. This is going to prevent that. This is the Umbra Tesora Jewelry Organizer. It obviously won for Best Jewelry Organizer. And I love that it has 3 heights. So your necklaces, no longer are they tangled, just, tossed wherever you last put them and you're like fishing around for them. You've got 3 different heights. So you can put earrings here, you can put bracelets, more earrings. And then you've also got this middle bowl that's really beautiful and very sleek. You can store more earrings. You can put rings here, bracelets, your Apple Watch if you have it. Anything that you just don't know where to go can go right here.
Perfect. It's a good catch-all.
Yeah.
And it's also pretty because I think part of my problem is when I organize things, I need them to look pretty.
Yes, absolutely. This looks like decor. You could put it anywhere in your space. If you're in a studio apartment, it looks great on a nightstand. It looks great in a bathroom countertop. You've got plenty of options.
Okay, I like that. I also like the jewels that are in here. Good taste. Whoever's earrings those are.
Thank you.
I'm calling it a doohickey, but I'm sure at Apartment Therapy they call it something much nicer.
Well, we do love this doohickey. It is our winner for Best Hanging Toiletry Organizer. It's the Calpac Terra Hanging Toiletry Bag. And this, if you are short on space, if you're in a dorm, if you just are in a shared apartment situation with roommates, you need something to stash on the back of your door in your bathroom or your bedroom, this product has it all. So you can just hang it right here. You can put all your daily finds in here, things like lotion, conditioner, you can put hairsprays, anything that you might need on a day-to-day basis. But my favorite part is that when you are getting ready to travel, whether you're doing something at the end of summer, all you have to do, fold this over, seal it, throw it in your carry-on, and you are halfway to the plane.
You're done.
You're done.
That's the one thing that takes me forever when I'm packing.
Absolutely. Taking things out, putting them in different bags, this solves all of that.
And you can see
everything.
And there are tons of pockets inside that you can stash things. You've got extra hooks. You've got a lot of real estate in there.
And this is I'm gathering? Perfect.
It's great.
Wow.
Okay.
I love that one too. It's a winner for me.
And it's also pretty.
It's
Yes, it is.
We're doing laundry here.
Yes, so next up is our Laundry Day Game Changer. This is the Laundry Lab bottle. It is a hero of making your laundry day luxurious. So no longer are you carrying, all of your dryer sheets, your big bag of laundry detergent, your fabric softener, and either taking those to the laundromat, to the basement, whether you've got like a shared laundry situation. You just fill everything up, take this with you, and you're good to go.
That is so cute.
And the best part is if you're going to a laundromat and you only have quarters, this top will come off.
Oh,
look at that!
And you can stash
Look at this.
quarters
That
there.
is super
Isn't
cute.
that so great?
No,
I love
way.
that.
So great, and you can even keep adding. So it comes with the 3 interchangeable compartments, but you could stack this as high as you want.
Oh, you can add more.
You can add, isn't that great?
See, I see my kids saying, "Mommy, this is perfect for snacks too." And then when I want to buy snacks, I just put the change up here, and
That's right.
you can do your laundry, and I'll buy my snacks while
That's
you do
right.
your laundry.
Laundry Day Game Changer, Snack Day Game Changer.
You never
No
know.
wonder this one.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
really clever.
It is.
Where was
really,
this in the
really clever.
90s when I
I
lived in
know.
Washington Heights?
Where you
and
had to
had
carry
schlep-
them.
Absolutely, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Please.
All right. Now the kitchen.
Yes.
Something from the kitchen had to win. What's happening here?
So last but not least is our winner for Best Kitchen Wrap Organizer. This is the Ucopia Stora Bag 3-slot food bag dispenser. And if you are somebody who, like me, has tons of baggies and you're constantly picking them up looking for, where's my quart bag? Where are my sandwich bags? This product does it all. You can stash all of them in here. You've got room for rubber bands. There's even side compartments for like twist ties.
Wait,
no longer
Yeah,
are you going to
can
have
I-
to
can
just
we-
deal with all this. Absolutely.
Finagle with
Also, it opens up.
It
so you can
opens up.
put-
You stash all the bags in there that you need.
And then the rubber bands
And
are
then
in
you've
here.
just, all you have to do is put the lid
Pop
back
it back
on.
in.
This you could put horizontally in a kitchen drawer if you have it, or
In
if
a
you're
pantry.
looking to utilize side space, you can hang it vertically. And no longer are you picking up the wrong bag. Everything
That
is
is
clutter. It's so great.
Let me tell you something. If someone gave this to me for Christmas or Mother's Day,
I'd be doing
anything,
the dance.
I would be very happy.
Yes,
Very,
I love
very
this
happy.
gift.
It is not too early to start your Christmas list. So if this is what you want, make sure to put it on there.
I have a shelf in my cabinet that is just the boxes of storage.
Not anymore,
storage bags.
sis.
This is great.
Yeah, and this is the 3-slot. You can definitely buy multiple to have multiple uses. But yeah, it's gonna take all of that mess and make sense of it.
And it's stackable. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Gadgets and
Bravo.
gizmos aplenty. I
yeah.
love it. Kylie, thank you so much. And
Thank
to all
you.
the hard work you and the
Yes,
good
thank
folks at
you.
Apartment Therapy are
Yes.
doing. If you want to see all the best in show, the best of the rest of the winners of the list for the 2024 Organization Awards, as well as sign up for Fall Decluttering Cure, visit apartmenttherapy.com.